Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I last made a YouTube video. I have been working on some TikTok videos and I've still been trying to grow my passive income streams, but I kind of want to come back and work on both my YouTube and my TikTok at the same time. So the reason why I started making YouTube videos in the first place is that I'm very passionate about financial freedom. I've watched countless videos of other YouTubers that talk about financial freedom and the ability to do what you want when you want. And that's something that I definitely want for me and my family. So my goal is to show the steps that I'm taking to achieve financial freedom. I know there's others out there like me who are in the same starting point, and I want to document my own journey so I can show you my ups and downs. So there's a lot of things that I'm working on to achieve financial freedom. It ranges from print on demand, crypto, stocks, and real estate. And in today's video, I want to talk about one of those avenues. So one of the passive income sources that I'm working on is merch by Amazon. What this allows you to do is to sell your designs as Amazon products, and there's no upfront cost or investment by you. So what's great about merch by Amazon is that every time one of your products sells, you're going to earn a royalty on that depending on the price. And you don't have to keep any inventory, and every single shirt or apparel that you sell is eligible for Prime shipping. So to get started, all you'll need to do is go to merch.amazon.com and then you'll go ahead and click on the sign up link. So next you're going to go ahead and sign into your Amazon account. If you don't already have one, you can go ahead and create one now. Since I already signed up for Merch by Amazon, it's not going to let me see the initial page that you're going to receive, but basically it's going to ask you for your personal information and just some other information that it will need to create your marketplace. It will have a couple of questions that you want to answer as best as possible. So basically, these questions are going to ask why you want to sell on Amazon, and it's going to ask for a little bit of detail or background about yourself. In my case, it took about, I want to say, a week or so until I got the confirmation that I was approved. So you want to go ahead and fill it out as best as possible. Once you're approved and signed in, your dashboard will be basically your homepage. Then you'll see Create, where you'll see all of the products that you have available, where you can upload your artwork. And there's Manage, Analyze, and the resources will give you a lot of facts that you may want to read over. So there are different little details that I want to go over for Merch by Amazon, but in this video, I want to just focus on the tier system, as this is kind of what you'll be focusing on when you're first starting out on Merch by Amazon. So when first starting out, you're going to see that there's a limit on the designs that you can submit. So what Amazon does is they start you off on tier level 10, which basically means that you have 10 designs when first starting out. So the way that you move up in the tier system is that you have to sell at least 10 products for the first tier, which will then bump you up to 25. And then it's basically the same thing for the next one. So you have to sell 25 products to be able to produce 100. So the reason why this should be your main goal is when you're first starting out, you only have 10 designs that you're able to sell on Amazon. And that's not very much compared to how many designs there currently are in the marketplace. So what you want to do is move up in this tier system, so that way you have more and more designs that you're able to push out to the marketplace. So since our goal is to move up in the tier system, I want to go ahead and give a quick little tip regarding the pricing when first starting out. So for example, let's go ahead and select the standard t-shirt. By default, when you first select a product, it's going to have all of the marketplaces available that are on Amazon. So what you want to go ahead and do is select products, deselect all of them, and then go ahead and select the one that you want to upload artwork to. In this case, we're just going to do .com. So one quick note that I want to mention is if you decide to sell on different marketplaces, what Amazon will do is all four of these here, it's going to see them as four different slots. So for the one design that you're going to upload right now, it's going to take away 4 slots from the 10 that you currently have available. So what I would recommend when you're first starting out and you're on tier 10 is to only sell in one marketplace. In my case, I just do .com. And so once you have that selected, you're going to go ahead and do continue. And now when you scroll down, you'll see that it'll only have the .com listed. So by default, the standard t-shirt is going to get priced at $19.99 by Amazon. This will give you about a $5.23 royalty for every product that's sold. But what I would recommend doing is, since you're first starting out and you only have 10 slots, I would recommend changing this to $13.99, which is only going to give you a 70-cent royalty, but it's going to give an incentive for people to want to actually buy your product since it's going to be at a lower price compared to other designs. So Amazon gives you a year for each of your designs to make a sale. If after that 1 year a particular product doesn't have any sales, it's going to be removed from the marketplace. But as soon as one of your designs sells on Amazon, it's going to be on the marketplace forever. And since you now know that it's an actual design that sells, after you move up in the tier system, you can go back in here and edit the price back to, let's say, $18.99 or $19.99, which will now give you a higher royalty. And you actually know that this is a design that will actually sell. So I just want to make this quick little overview video about Merch by Amazon, which is another stream of passive income that I'm trying to grow. So in this video, I just want to talk about the tier system and also a quick little tip regarding the pricing when first starting out. I will be making more videos about Merch by Amazon as I'm always learning something new and just trying to grow my sales on here as well. So, like I mentioned in the beginning, I want to share with everybody what I'm working on and give a little bit of detail of what's working for me and what's not. But please like and subscribe if this is something that you're interested in, and I'll see you on the next one.